Nag-i-English kami dito eh.
Ay nako, English.
Oo, medyo taglish siya dito, medyo may English, kaya kung ayaw nyo, di huwag kayo manood. Alam nyo, honestly, that wasn't meant to blow up how it did. Parang, kunwari si Vice yung kausap ko at sinabi niya, ano ba yung movie nyo? Puro English. Ganon din ko naman siya sasagot. Hindi ko manood. Ganon lang yun. It wasn't meant to be like a...
Super pataray.
Parang ganon lang. Hindi mo ka manood. Ganon lang yun.
O, i-meme nyo na ha, sinabi na niya.
Hindi, ako talaga, huwag ka manood. De, joke lang, binayaran ko yung tao na yun eh. Para makingay sa pelikula namin.
Oy, teka lang, di nyo na sinagot. Yung mga multo nyo sa pag-ibig.
Alam mo, medyo nasa ganun akong lugar ngayon na parang minsan baka hindi maganda gising. But that's okay. Sometimes we have our days and that day
Right.
was my day. So, tao lang naman tayo.
Jericho, may mga days ba na sometimes you have to face the ghosts of your past love?
Ouch!
Wala kang magagawa, Jericho. Yan ang pelikula nyo eh. Pelikula nyo yan eh.
Parang minumulto ka mo.
Correct.
Madami kami. Madami-daming beses ako na nag-iisip ng... Hindi, kino-compare ko lang kung paano ako dati. Kung paano ko siya gagawin ngayon. Yun lang. And then, of course, kailangan mo i-accept yung sarili mo nung nakaraan. And you know na iba ka na ngayon. Parang gano'n. I mean, I don't hate myself or anything. In-embrace ko lang yung multo na yun.
Galing.
Malamig.
Malamig. O ito, for the red daw, from Goldwyn Reviews.
Naku, Goldwyn ha, bigyan mo ng 5 stars ha.
Naabangan
Di
ko-
pa kita nakikita.
Naabangan namin ito si Gold.
Ba't ka na nanako? Taga-direct talaga to. Oh.
Joke lang, Goldwyn, wag mo ako.
Sa dami ng love stories na ipinalabas na... I'm sorry, let me rephrase that. Sa dami ng love stories na ipinalabas na, bakit ito? Anong pinagkaiba nito at bakit kailangan siyang panoorin sa sinehan?
Sa sinihan kasi bawal pumikit, bawal mag-cellphone. Dahil yung pelikula ay deconstruction ng pag-ibig. So paghimay sa isang relasyon na 10 taon. So kaya siya sa sinihan kasi kapag may na-miss kang eksena or nagsi-cellphone ka, mawawala ka dun sa experience. So that's why kaya yun yung hinihintay ng tao sa sinihan eh.
Yes.
Ano yung hindi ko panonoorin sa TV, sa bahay. So ganitong klase siya ng kwento, ganitong klase siya ng pag-ibig na dahil 10 taon yung relasyon, may mga bagay na malingat ka, mawawala ka sa kwento. Kaya dapat full attention. So that's the experience na makukuha mo only in the cinema.
Alright. Pero iiyak ba kami dito? Kikiligin?
May kilig at may hapdi.
Hapdi?
Oo. Depende sa pinagdadaanan, yes. Depende sa pinagdadaanan.
Actually. Kasi kung masaya ka naman, parang...
Baka konti lang yung luha mo kasi may naalala ka lang. Pag masaya ka. Pero pag hindi ka masyadong masaya ngayon,
Yun, totoo ka dito.
You need to watch it sa cinema kasi date movie siya eh.
yeah. And then even if you're going with your date, you'll realize kung sino sa inyo yung lover or the loved one. Kahit sa mga pagbabarkada, malalaman nyo na, ay, ikaw yung lover dito, ikaw yung loved one. Ganon siyang klaseng film. So, you can't say it's a happy film or a sad film because really it's for anyone who's ever fallen in love.
I have a question. Do you recommend that you watch this with your ex?
Yes, kung gusto mo.
Kung gusto mo, kumatapang ka.
Kung matapang ka, baka pwede naman.
Di
Kasi
ba?
I think so. I think you could watch it with your ex.
Sa panahon ngayon, pwede na yun.
As long as you guys are in good terms.
Oo.
Kasi pag hindi naman, ba't naman kayong manunood together?
Okay na yun.
Pero kung malakas nga loob mo, di ba? Kahit fresh pa, tara, panoorin natin to.
Panoorin mo kasama mo yung ex, pero nandito ka, tas nandun siya.
Malayo. Catriona, do you recommend you watch this with your ex?
Pwede sa malayo na lang. Row A versus row B.
Okay. Mula kay, oh my God, I can't question niya. I've been a fan of your tandem in Baler at walang kubas ang chemistry ninyo. After all these years, how was it working with Echo? You slightly touched on this kanina. Sinabi mo it's always easy to work with Jericho.
I think it helps na parang doing this story kasi it's very apt for where we are in our lives also versus if we were to do this when I met him, I don't know ilang years na yun, almost 18 years ago, it would have been hindi kami bagay to portray these roles versus where we are now. I feel like it was the perfect timing. Kumbaga, kismet yung nangyari kasi ang daming pinagdaanan ng script, ang daming pinagdaanan ng cast din. Yeah. So I guess that being able to work with Jericho, I feel like it was probably really meant to be. And he's always so easy and giving as an actor, as always. So was very happy to reunite with him for this project specifically.
On Jericho's side naman, ikaw naman dyan. Jericho, ikaw naman.
Siyempre super kilig lagi to work with Anne.
Okay.
In a lot of ways kasi she has the right energy for every kind of project, whether it be something fun, heavy like action, ganyan, and love story. Every time I see her, sabi ko, "Huy, guest mo naman ako sa Bypass, kahit mag-cameo lang ako," parang gano'n. But it never happens. But ever since we worked on Green Rose and Baler, it always felt like there was, parang hindi siya tapos. Parang hindi tapos yung kabanata. So, I just a little I watched their movies in Naya, and siyempre namamatay ako sa inggit. And I was like, I need to be in that film. Sana ako yung film na yan, kasama sa film na yan. Until one day, it really happened now, and I'm so grateful. Nervous lang kasi si Anne mabilis kumilos. So, sa set, palagi siya nauuna sa set. So, I made it a point na at least maaga ako sa set pag siya na yung katrabaho kasi parang hindi ako nalilate kasi she's such a pro, she's a professional.
Ever since pa yun
Dati pa yun, ganun pa siya. Yeah, Green Rose pa lang nandiyan na sa set yan, bago lahat ng artista. But yeah, I love working with her. She's light and she got everything about the story. No need to explain. She had her input. Lahat nung pwede niyang ilatag na experience, the idea na was on the table. She's the type of actress that brings something to the table. So, tapos ang boxing.
Sakang galing mo, Ana, juggling a lot of things all together. All your projects na binubuo. Plus this?
Parang kakalma na muna ako.
Okay.
Marami naman ng tinrabaho ka last year ngayon lalabas. So parang excited na lang akong i-share sa lahat.
Right.
But just to add what Echo said earlier, meron kaming eksena na parang na-realize niya na parang, oh, it's really happening. Yung balcony scene natin sa Makati na parang ito na nga ka-work na nga si Direk Irene. So, nakakatuwa lang. It happened all at the right time, and now it's going to be shared with everyone at the perfect time.
Exactly. February 11. Direk, sa sobrang galing nitong dalawang to,